Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a very quick lunch recipe in the air fryer. We're going to be using some mini tortilla wraps. They're the smaller versions. Are going to be the only size that's going to fit in the air fryer. We're going to be using some grated mozzarella cheese. We're going to be using some grated medium cheddar. Also, we've got some Italian herbs and some garlic granules, garlic powder. And we're going to make a sort of sandwich with the tortilla wraps. So let's get prepped. Okay, so firstly, we're going to just spread a bit of butter on the mini tortilla wraps. Don't want too much, but just enough to give it a bit of a coating. That should do it. A little bit more on that one. This is going to be really tasty. I've done this a few times now, and it's a delicious little fast lunch. Okay, next we're going to sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on that one there, and a little on this one here as well. Then I'm going to sprinkle some cheddar cheese, grated cheddar cheese. Just want to cover the tortilla wraps as best we can, like so. A bit more on this one. That should do it. We're now going to sprinkle some garlic granules, not too many, just enough for taste. There we go. And we're also going to put on the top some Italian style seasoning, Italian herbs. There we are. A little bit more on that one. That's great. What we're now going to do is put this one on top of this one, and then we're going to be putting them both in the air fryer. You can see in the air fryer I have a disposable baking paper tray. This is going to be really useful for getting the lunch out of the air fryer once it's finished. And what we're going to do is we're going to now put both of those sandwiched together like that into the air fryer, like so. And what we're now going to do is air fry these for 6 minutes at 180 degrees. So we'll turn on the air fryer. We're going to go air fry 180 degrees and 6 minutes, and start. Shut the lid and it goes into preheat mode. Okay, so the add food has appeared. Let's open the lid. I've already added the food, and the timer will start for 6 minutes at 180 degrees, and I cannot wait to try these. And there we go, the timer has finished, and let's look inside and see what's been cooking. Wow, that really does sure look good. I think I'm going to get them on a plate and do a bit of a taste test. So there we go, on the plate. Let's give it a chop up into quarters. The cheese is all melted beautifully. You can really smell the Italian herbs. So let's have a taste. You can taste the garlic, the Italian herbs, beautifully melted cheese. Oh, this is amazing. Beautiful. A really, really delicious, quick to make lunch. And why not give it a try? Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Lots more content coming up soon. Please hit the like button. Really do appreciate it. And leave any comments down below if you've tried this recipe, or if there's any other air fryer recipes that you'd like me to try. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye for now.